other side of the lake I knew stood a girl, I know it's true. So what else could I do? So I said hi to you. 3 years and it went great. Our house by a lake, well, sunset on another perfect day. Oh, but that one night it didn't feel right, 'cause there was something I wasn't trusting. A face at the window, well, it scared you off to hell. Might be a long night, I can't tell. Oh, I swear to you, I'll be there for you. Although the zombies are coming for us tonight. Knock on our door, wonder what they're here for. Wish I had a 9 sword to fight until that sunrise comes. They'll try and get us, spiders and infect us, but nothing to protect us. To me you are precious, 'cause oh, I swear to you, I'll take care of you. Although the zombies are coming for us tonight. Life now is just survival within